Hello, B friends! It's Mr. Brian. Another day, another story, another adventure. Tara, let's go! Oh, nagulat kayo, no? Akala nyo si Alden Richards to. Joke, guys. So, I'm going out today and there's no particular agenda on what I will do today, but I want this vlog to be like a day in my life as an OFW teacher here in the UAE. So, summer ngayon dito sa UAE, walang pasok ang mga teachers kasi wala ring mga estudyante. So, this is actually 2 months na ganito kami. So, I'm thinking na dahil nawala ako ng almost 2 years sa talagang pagbablog, I will share the details later and some reflections kung ano nga ang nangyari sa aking hiatus. For sure, di naman nyo ako na-miss dahil wala naman akong masyadong subscribers. But anyways, I want this vlog to be intentional, and moving forward, I want my vlogs to be more intentional as well. So, sumama kayo today and dadalhin ko kayo sa isang araw sa buhay ng isang OFW teacher dito sa UAE. Alam niyo naman guys na pag summer sa UAE, napakainit. So, magbabas lang ako dahil wala naman akong sasakyan. So, I have my handy dandy Abu Dhabi card. So, magkaiba yan from the Noel card sa Dubai and ito nga dito sa Abu Dhabi. So, just to share with you guys, nandito na ako ngayon sa Abu Dhabi for a year. Wala na ako sa Dubai. That's why I'm thinking of changing the name of my vlogs into Filipino Teacher in Abu Dhabi or Filipino Teacher in the UAE. Comment nyo yan sa ibaba kung ano ang gusto ninyo para mailagay natin. Kasi wala na nga ako sa Dubai, nandito na ako sa Abu Dhabi, and pangit naman kung tatawagin ko pa rin Filipino Teacher in Dubai. So ano mas maganda? Abu Dhabi o UAE? Dito sa Abu Dhabi, medyo matagal ang buses kasi medyo nasa outskirts tayo ng city, hindi ito yung main city. So doon tayo pupunta ngayon. Pupunta ako sa isang mall na kung tawagin ay Al Wada Mall. So before that, gusto ko muna kayong i-reintroduce sa aking bagong tinitirhan. Okay? So bilang matagal na dito sa UAE, palipat-lipat tayo ng bahay, palipat-lipat tayo ng lugar, and that is something common sa mga teachers dito sa UAE. Dahil syempre, after 2 years of a contract, or minsan after a year, nagbabago ang mga plano, nagbabago ang mga schools natin, so lumilipat tayo. So this is my second year. If I haven't shared with you, ito na yung second year ko dito sa Abu Dhabi. So, iikot ko lang kayo. Maliit lang tong room ko. This is a studio, okay? Sa heart ng Sharqboat City dito sa Abu Dhabi. Okay, so simulan natin. This is my outfit for the day. Yan, dito lang ako naggagawa ng mga lesson plans, kung ano-ano. Yan ang aking small desk. So, syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating bookshelf and small things that makes us happy. Yan ang ating kitchen. I'll show that to you later. So, isang ikot lang to guys. Naisip ko pala guys na dahil intentional na ang ating vlogging, instead of tawagin kayong guys, be friends. Okay? Yan ang ating bagong moniker, tawag sa ating mga subscribers. Be friends. So again, be friends If I'm getting used to it, pagpasensyahan nyo na ako, but I'll make it intentional na tawagin kayong B-Friends from now on. So mga ka-B-Friends, ayan ang ating fridge. Okay? And then, ito ang pintuan, cabinet. So lahat ito, hindi provided ng school yan, guys. Ako ang pundar niyan. Okay? So, bibigyan kayo ng package ng school and then kayo nang bahalang mag-fill up ng inyong apartment. So, this is an open shelf system from IKEA. Mga bagay-bagay pa na nakikita kayo ng, sana nakakakuha kayo ng idea kung paano i-set up ang inyong lugar. And then, di na ako bumili ng kortina, guys. Lumang bedsheet. Ako lang naman dito. And dyan ang aking higaan. So, my things are ready. Kasi nga, paalis tayo. So, ito naman, dito nyo makikita ang lahat ng mga sinusuot ko daily sa aking pagtuturo. And of course, hindi mawawala ang mga balikbayan boxes na hindi pa na ipapadala sa Pilipinas. Mga ka-B-Friends, ito ang aking kitchen. So, buksan natin. So, ayan lang siya, guys. Naging minimalist ako this time. Minimalist, medyo madami pa nga yan. Pero, what I'm trying to say is, nagbawas na tayo ng gamit. Hindi katulad dati. Kasi bilang OFW teacher nga, palipat-lipat tayo. So, ayan na siya. So, again, washing machine, and then itong ating induction cooker and microwave, lahat yan, ako na ang nag-provide. And then, ang ating CR. Yan lang naman yan, guys. So, wala naman kayo makita kung kakaiba dyan. Dahil, ayan lang yan. Okay. Nagka-idea kayo kung ano ang itsura ng aking maliit na lugar dito sa Abu Dhabi. So, kasi what I'm trying to say is maliit siya compared to my last accommodation. But then again, my salary here is much more better. Medyo mas malaki compared doon sa nauna kong eskwelahan. So, outskirts siya, like what I said, medyo malayo sa city, and it will take me an hour to ride the bus papunta doon sa main city. And the buses are 1.5 hours before dumating ang isang bus. So, let us do a time check. Ngayon ay 1:01. The next bus will arrive at 1:33. So, meron pa ako mga 30 minutes before I go out and battle the Abu Dhabi heat this summer. So, essential things to bring ng isang OFW teacher vlogger dito sa Abu Dhabi. Payong. Andiyan na yan, ang payong. Siyempre, shades. Which I will wear na. Yan. Kala niya si Alden Richards to, no? Siyempre, bumili rin tayo ng Jisoo fan because electric fan is life. Try natin. Yan siya. O, diba? Well, for sure, mainit mamaya paglabas natin. Ano pa bandala ko? Siyempre, cellphone, huwag natin kalimutan. And yung bag na lagayan ng ating camera. So, yan lang naman. Tapos may tayong isang maliit na pouch. Nandiyan ang ating mga essentials. Napakadaling mag-vlog using this Osmo Pocket 3 dahil handy talaga siya. And then, hindi nakakadiyahing mag-vlog ng, naglalakad ka, tapos may mahawak kang malaking camera. And this is also the mic. Yan, built-in na rin siya. Mabilis na siyang mag-connect. Although, minsan, hindi siya kumo-connect. So, kailangang i-set up mo pa siya. Pero that rarely happens. And, guys, excited na ba kayo na sumama sa akin sa araw na ito para lang mag-ikot-ikot a day in the life of an OFW teacher dito sa Abu Dhabi. Ayan, di ba? Walking, pupunta tayong bus stop. Dahil nga wala tayong kotse, kailangan mag-bus muna tayo. Okay, so hindi naman pwedeng walang payong dahil napakainit ng araw. Diba? Kung meron ka namang cap, hindi naman maganda sa buhok mo yun dahil pipipi ang buhok. So, ayan, tignan nyo kung saan ako naglalakad para makapunta sa bus stop. Ito ang tinitiis ng lahat ng OFW sa UAE pag summer. Okay? Kailangan lalaban tayo. So, ayan. Medyo mahaba-habang lakaran. Mga 8 minutes siguro yan. Like what I said nga kanina, ang mga bus ay every 1.5 hours ang interval. So the next bus is around 1:33. So mga 1:21 na. Tama-tama ang 10 minutes para sa bus na susunod. So ayan. Siguro mga 4 minutes tayo naglalakad. Wala pa tayo sa bus stop. So yan. Nakita ninyo kung gaano kalayo ito sa Kabihasnan. Sa vlog ko mamaya, i-video natin yung pagsakay natin sa bus at kung gaano katagal ang biyahe. Ito siya guys. Yun pa ang bus stop. Malayo-layo yung lakaran pa. Ready naman tayo. May dala tayong panyo. May dala tayong yun nga, yung ating Jesus fan tsaka itong payong. Kasi kung wala ito, maluluto tayo, mapiprito ng buhay. So, dito pa kaya ulit ang bus stop? Tagal na kasi kung hindi nakasakay. So, sana dito pa rin ang bus stop. Tama kaya ito? 1:33. Tignan natin. Pag wala pang 1:33, babalik ako. Siguro naman. Uy, bakit parang sarado? Saan kaya ang bus stop? Hintay lang. Kasi dati ang bus stop, meron siyang ginagawa. So, hindi ko lang alam. Yun nga pala yung school ko, guys. Malapit lang siya sa bahay na nirerentahan ko. Around 5 to 6, 7 minutes walk. Usually doon ang bus stop. Ngayon may barricade. So hindi ko lang alam. Hindi ko lang alam kung nasa tamang lugar tayo. Nakakasira ng forma ang payong na ito. Pag wala, balik ako. Magbubuk na lang ako ng Yango. Tapos baka if not sa Dalma Mall, sa Bababat Al Shark Mall na lang ako pupunta. Kasi nga, hindi ko alam kung saan ako sasakay papuntang Alwada Mall. Ang first agenda talaga sana is Alwada Mall. Kasi murang pamasahe, bus lang. Ngayon, hindi ko alam kung saan ang bus stop. Wish me luck. Okay, mukhang ito pa rin yung bus stop, guys. Meron siyang opening na hindi ko nakita. Ayan na, parating na yung bus. Samahan nyo ko. Off ko na tong payong ko. Nagsabay akong isa. Medyo natakot lang ako. Kasi dati walang barricade eh. Ngayon may barricade na. Ayan ang bus. Doon pa rin naman pala. Kakat ko na lang. I-splice na lang natin. Oh, ang init. We survived. Ano lang aking school? Ay, ang init. 1 hour to. 1 hour na ganito. Enjoy the view. Walking towards Abu Dhabi bus station. Yeah. So almost 1 hour din yung biyahe. Diba? Pero, ang maganda doon, merong shed, merong tulay. Papunta doon sa binabaan sa bus stop. Papunta sa bus station. Ayan siya guys. Show ko lang sa inyo. Yun yung bus station. Teka, stop natin. Ayan. Diba? Yeah, like what I'm saying guys, hindi naman kayo mahirapan dito maghanap ng masasakyan. If you are going to Dubai from Abu Dhabi, dito yan. Ayun ang mga bus. And then if you're from Abu Dhabi, if you're from Dubai going to Abu Dhabi, you have options. Ayan, maraming taxi. And may mga buses din naman. Ayan, dahil bakasyon at walang pasok, samahan niyo ako mag-ikot-ikot sa Al-Wada Mall. Pasok din tayo sa Abu Dhabi bus station. Enjoy the clip, guys. So dito ang bilihan ng card papuntang Dubai. Dito sa ticketing machine na ito. Diyan ka bibili. Magka-top up. And then ito na yung mga buses. Di ba? Ngayon tayo pupunta ng Dubai ngayon. Dito tayo. Al-Wada Mall. Ayan. Yan tayo pupunta today. Ayan guys. Ang init, di ba? Tiniis ko na kasi malapit na lang naman. Hindi na ako nagbukas ng payong. Fresh na tayo ulit pagpasok sa loob. Going inside Al-Wada Mall. Uy, sarap. Hi mga ka-B friends. So I'm sitting here in a cafe in Abu Dhabi and I thought this would be the perfect place to catch up. A lot of things changed in my life and today I just want to talk. So as you all know, I moved from Dubai to Abu Dhabi. Not everybody of you might know, but I just want to share na nag-move na ako from Dubai to Abu Dhabi. So, nakaisang taon na ako sa aking new school and I felt like I have transitioned already. I have adapted to the new school and to the new routine. Fortunately, after that long year of teaching, summer break already, so I'm enjoying my time to slow down. Surprisingly, I'm loving the quieter pace of life, but I also miss the busy lifestyle in Dubai. Because in Dubai, everything is quite near. You just need to have a metro card and you can go places. Here in Abu Dhabi, it's more chill, more relaxed, and the travel is far. So from my house to this mall, it took me 1 hour. I appreciate just those simple moments sitting in a cafe like this and talking to you guys. Now, why I stopped vlogging. Number one, the camera setup that I used to have is so big. I used to have my DSLR and then you need to put your mic. But now, it's not that complicated. My camera setup is just this Osmo Pocket 3 and this mic. That's it. And then I'm ready to talk away. I also feel like I'm more comfortable now. Don't get me wrong, medyo nahihiya pa rin ako paminsan-minsan. But now, I can express myself more. I can be more comfortable in my own skin a little bit more. And another thing is I felt that my channel wasn't no one is watching my videos, to tell you the honest truth. So it also demotivated me to create videos. But now I'm coming back and I'll tell you why I'm coming back. Also siguro I prioritize that transition from Dubai to Abu Dhabi also. A lot of things had happened in my life and I will also talk about that later. Now, the reason why I coming back is I genuinely enjoyed creating videos. I enjoyed documenting my life, and when I look back into my old YouTube vlogs, I enjoyed how I see the growth from where I was and to where I am now. So whether 100 or less than or more than 1,000 people watch my vlog, I would be encouraged to do more vlogging because I want to fall in love with the process once again. Life update. So I finally went to Japan. My God, that was such an amazing experience. Nanginayang lang ako, hindi ko siya na-vlog ng todo-todo. But I hope in the near future makabalik tayo ng Japan and makapag-vlog tayo doon. So it was surreal, guys. I was so happy and I was so thrilled when I finally was able to go to Japan. I'll put some clips of my random Japan adventures so you can watch it when I edit this video. Sarap ng pagkain dun. And the transport system was so good. So, if ever I go back, I am sure to make more vlogs of my adventure in Japan. So, sana ma-push natin yun. Also, looking back into my old videos, ang dami ng mga na manifest na mga sinabi ko. So, tuloy-tuloy lang natin. Sana magtuloy-tuloy pa yung mga minanifest at ima-manifest pa natin. So ngayon, i-manifest na natin na magkakaroon tayo ng mas maraming subscribers para ma-enjoy natin ang pagbablog. I also recently went to India. That one I vlogged. So kung interested kayo, please watch it on my YouTube channel and comment naman kayo kung ano yung mga things pa to improve sa aking vlogging. I know it's not the best, but if you enjoy it, comment on what you like to see more. Okay? I want to upload consistently. And I feel like with this vlogging setup, mas madali na siyang gawin. Kasi hindi na siya bulky. That's what I want to say. Hopefully, what's coming next, I want to create more teacher talks content, more teacher travels content, more Mr. Brian Eats content, and daily live videos. If it also permits, Celestine, my niece, would also be vlogging. I would put a separate, not channel, but series on my blog. For my goals, I wanna, like what I said, I wanna upload consistently. I want to build a genuine connection with you guys. Hopefully, reach monetization, and of course, inspire teachers who dreams of working abroad. I want to encourage people to travel when they can and just share my life, not just not just the highlights, but generally what's happening with me here in Abu Dhabi. So sitting here today reminds me that life doesn't have to be exciting every day. I just want to sit and really take in those quiet moments. Maybe this simple cafe conversation is exactly the restart I needed for my vlogs. And I want to thank you for staying despite the long break. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. This channel is not just about traveling or teaching, it's about documenting my journey, one vlog at a time. I don't know where exactly this path will lead, but I'm excited and I want to keep sharing it with all of you. So if that sounds like something you want to be a part of, subscribe and let's make memories together, and see you in the next vlog. We're out of the mall and going back to the bus station. Yan, as you can see, gabi na, madilim na, and we are hoping that we can catch the 8 o'clock bus going home. Diba? Seryosong vlogger na. Bye, Alwada. Takbo tayo. Ganda ng ano, no? Yung sky. Violet.